Hi, this is DS Tech Stuff and I'm the D. Now my wife surprised me the other day by giving me a really great gift which she knew I was after for a long time. So what is it? Well, I'll quickly show you. It's what's in this big box. It's called a Ducky and it's the Ducky Hurricane Gaming Chair. And why do I need this? Because I have this grandma chair or guitar chair. Now it's just lost any capability of making any music, so this thing is going to go and that thing is going to take its place. So let's get that thing built. So let's get started. And what do we need first? A knife. Ninja star. Okay, now with everything out, we've got the main back of the chair. And this is not a very light chair. It's about 25 kilograms in weight. We've got the backrest or support. We've got the base, which is the for your big bum. We've got the legs, and we've got, I guess, yeah, the support, and then the wheels. Let's get this built, okay? Wow, they give us some gloves. Maybe I can use these for golf next time. People in Taiwan, where I live, have small hands. Whew, that wasn't easy. Just getting the first one in, then the rest will go in nicely.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a
Finally, last one. These are big wheels.
can't be afraid to leave this.
And this is heavy.
Got this one, don't
Oops, always one.
I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we're gonna light it up tonight. We're gonna light it up tonight. We're gonna light it up.
Finally, get the chair on the base. Finally finished. This is the Ducky Gaming Chair. It's a really lovely surprise from my wife. Really loved it. I really love her. She really does surprise me quite often, and I really need this chair. Like I said, the old chair is completely useless now. I've had it like 15 years. It's time to upgrade. So you might not know who Ducky are or who Ducky is. Well, it's a Taiwanese company who are very, very popular within the mechanical keyboard world. The mechanical keyboards are very, very precise keystrokes, very, very well built and very, very popular within the gaming community. So now they've started to work themselves into other gaming areas, and they've started off with their very first gaming chair called the Ducky Gaming Chair. I'll put some links below to where you can have a look at them, have a look at the specs and see what they're like and see if, you know, there's something you're after. This cost 7,200 NT because I'm in Taiwan, which equates to around, let me find out for you. Get the right price. About 240 US dollars. It's a hefty price for a gaming chair. I've never had a gaming chair. This is the first one I've had myself. First impressions, it's nice. I did see it in the shop. I did sit on it. I did try it out for a while. I did have a use of their computers and have a couple of games and see what it felt like. It was really good, very comfortable, very firm. I needed it. It's very sturdy, very well made. It's not full leather, which it won't be for these prices, but it's very, very well made, very well stitched. It's black and it's red. It's got the Ducky logo, it's got the headrest, and it's got the backrest, which is adjustable up and down, which is nice. This headrest you can just take off, and you've got the Ducky logo on the head. You've got, I guess, the seat belt points if you needed something like that. And then at the back you've got the Ducky logo in white as well, which is nice. It's a really nice finish. It's very professional, it's very sturdy. I have to tell you what, it's a heavy chair. Full metal construction all the way through, metal frame all the way inside, adjustable armrests, and when I put this back on, this metal lever, this metal arm lets you go all the way, like PewDiePie does say. Can it do this? And yes, it can. It's nice and comfortable. You've got two levers, one on either side, to go up and down and backwards and forwards. There we go. And then the other one, you just actually, oh yeah, you don't push the levers, you actually twist them, which is interesting. So normally on the chairs like this, you would just push the lever up or down, but this you actually twist, pull it like a up motion. Very interesting. Anyway, it's so far so good. It's nice and firm. It's going to help me, I can guarantee that. But in about a month's time I'll give you an update, tell you what it's like, see if it's worth it. I'll put some links below again, like I said before, see if you want to know any more, and I'll catch you a lot in the next video. So thanks very much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.